Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vivi. If you're new here, welcome. I am a full-time Poshmark seller, a lifestyle blogger, and today I have a what's so video for you. I mean, the month of February was okay. It wasn't really much that sold, but I'm glad able to make some sales. So I just wanted to share what's sold with you guys. So let's get started. So if you're new here and you like reseller related content or anything that has to do with lifestyle, fashion, and style, you can go ahead and subscribe, and also hit that like button and the bell so you can be notified when I first upload a video. I try to do every Sunday. I'm also moving forward. We'll try to upload on Fridays and Sunday. I'm gonna give that a try. Don't hold me to it, but I'm gonna try to stick with the every Sunday. I just wanted to see how I can do with 2 videos a week. So yeah, so I'm gonna give that a try. Praying. I had 2 items that sold the end of January, like January 31st. So I'm gonna include that 2 in here. I'm gonna start with that 2, and then the rest is all February. So the first item that got sold was this Zara Bow Meals. It came out a couple of years ago. I bought it. I only wore it twice. It was in like new condition. So this sold for $40. It had a little history to it. So I mailed this item. It went to the buyer. I think she lives in New York. I'm not sure. Somehow her post office said it wasn't enough postage stamp payment or whatever. I don't know. The item got sent back. I had to email Posh, and I guess the post office over there don't even know what they're doing, because this was even less than £5. So I don't know what they were talking about. Posh might send me another prepaid label. The buyer was so nice about it. She's like, when you get the item, please mail it back to me. So I told her, I said I was going to follow up with Poshmark and see what's going on, and I did, and it reached out to her. She was really nice about it. She still gave me my 5 stars. To be honest, I did mail it in a flat rate box. But I think when I talked to the people at my post office, they said the post office over there don't know what they're talking about. So I should just change the box and I should be fine. Put the prepaid label on it and mailed it. So the lady got her item. She was happy about it. And I'm glad that went well. So yeah, so the next item that got sold was this neon. I think neon is still trending, so you can be picking about what style to pick out there when you're sourcing. So this is just a basic neon orange dress that got sold. It's an H&M dress. It got sold for $10, and the buyer was really happy about this purchase, and she gave me a 5 star, and I was happy about the sale. So now is all the items that sold from February 1st to February 28th. So yeah, so first is this boutique dress. I had it in like a few different sizes. All the other sizes sold. I had to relist this one, and it sold for $35, and she was so happy about the dress. Really pretty dress. I love the floral patterns on this, the ruffles and everything. The detail was really nice, and yeah, so she was happy about this dress. And the next item that got sold was this shoe dazzle buckle heel. It was like a open toe sandals heels that got sold. Is sat in my closet for like ever. I was so happy when the buyer offered me $25. I accepted that $25 really fast. The next item that got sold is this beautiful floral loft dress. It's like a wrap dress. This was consigned. It sold through offers to likers for $20. It was probably listed for a week, and it got sold really fast. So the next item that got sold is this leather top to bottom dress, skater dress. I wore this dress to Philadelphia Fashion Week, I think 2 years ago, and I listed this dress. It's been sitting there for a while as well, and when she sent me that $70 offer, I accepted it really fast, and yeah, so she loved the dress. The next item that got sold is this Steve Madden nude heel. This I sold 3 pairs already. I think I sold a black, a nude, and this is the other nude that got sold for $39. This sat for a little while, like a couple of months. Next item that got sold is the Zara Tropical Pants. It's a size small. It got sold for $15. This sat forever. So when she sent me an offer, I accepted that offer really fast. I just wanted this out of my closet. And the next item that got sold is this lightweight J. Jill cardigan. This sat for a little bit, but once the buyer sent me an offer, I accepted that offer really fast, and she's like, she loved the item. It's in perfect condition. She gave me a 5-star. The next item that got sold is this Allison Taylor leopard print skirt. I really like this skirt. It's like fitted at the top and flare at the bottom. So pretty. And yeah, she sent me an offer for $17. I accepted. The next item that got sold is this Cupid burgundy open-toe sandals. So this I bought in a whole batch. Like I had 6 pairs of burgundy and 6 pairs of the gray. So a lot of the items got sold, and I think this is the last wine color pair. I'm not sure, but yeah. So this, she sent me an offer for $20. I accepted really fast because I wanted this out of my closet. And the next item that got sold is a two men's pants. And it got sold in a bundle. He offered me for $30 and I accepted. And it's this new tag Target pants. The tan one was new with tag, and the H&M one was like never worn. My hubby gave me these to list, so I listed them and I just sold them both for $30. I was so happy with that offer. I accepted it really fast, and he gave me a 5-star. So the next item that sold is this birdies. Oh my god, guys, if you out there and you see birdies or rotties, pick them up. It's so fast. This pair was sent to me. I had to do a campaign for this brand, so once I did the campaign, I got to keep the you shouldn't want to say item. It was a pay campaign, so I get to keep the item and I also got paid for it. So I listed this birdies. It was new. I only did it in a shoot. I use it for a shoe. It's really, really comfortable. It's some comfortable shoes, but I know I'm not going to get any use out of this because it's going to sit on my, it's going to sit in my closet and pick up dust. So I thought I should list it. And I sold it for $125, new in the box. The next item that got sold is this shimmery Forever 21 dress. I wore this last year for New Year's Eve. And I really liked the dress, but I know I wasn't going to wear it again, so I listed it. It's a size medium. That she sent me an offer for $18 and I accepted. And I bought this dress off of Poshmark. The next item that got sold is this Just Fab Hotel boots. These boots got sold and the buyer filed a complaint. So now, when people file a complaint, when I first got my first complaint filed, I took it so personal. Don't ever take complaint personal. Like, calm down, take a deep breath, put yourself in the buyer's shoe and respond to that buyer. But the claim that she was claiming, she said something about I misled her with the stock photos. So I told her, I said, I don't know how I misled you by the stock photos. I didn't just post the stock photo and just left it like that and you just purchased off the stock photo. I actually listed additional 7 photos so you can see the actual item that I was selling within the listing. So you see the boots, it has like a knit detail around the leg, the top. My actual boot, quilted detail with the buckle. It don't have sweater knit detail. So I said I never put that in the listing, in the description, because my boots doesn't have it. So it was just to illustrate how the boots fit. That's why I used the stock photo, and people use stock photo all the time. So to be on the safe side, just cover yourself in the description. And I don't know, moving forward, I don't know if I want to ever use stock photos. If I use stock photo, I will put in my listing in the description that the stock photo is just there to show you how the shoe fits or how the dress fits or something of that nature, because I just don't like when people file complaint. I mean, it's there. I mean, I don't know. So yeah, just cover yourself, period. So I won the case. I got my earnings. So yeah, so I told her I was sorry that, you know, it didn't go well, but at the same time, I didn't mislead you. I listed in the listing that the boots has quilted detail. I never put in there that it had the sweater detail part because it didn't have it. So I don't know if I'm, I don't know. Just look at the picture and see the difference in the listing. And yeah, just always cover yourself. If I should use stock photo moving forward, I'm gonna put within my listing that the stock photo is only there to give you an example of how this fit. Yeah, enough rent. So this sold for $40, and this was consigned as well. So the next item that got sold is this H&M denim shirt, size 8. This was consigned as well. So she sent me an offer. I accepted, and she left me 5 stars and says it was a nice shirt. The next item that got sold is this Anthropologie dress. I really love this dress. I wore it last year. I wore it last year for Valentine's Day. It has a color black, the red and pink, and it's so beautiful. It has pockets. It is really well made, beautiful dress. It sat in my closet for a while. The right buyer came along. She offered $75, and I accepted. So the next item that got sold is this yellow rotties I told you. So these rotties were sent to me by my girlfriend. She did a campaign for this brand, and once the campaign was over, she got paid, and she told me she didn't like the way the shoe looked. Although it's comfortable, she didn't like the V side of it, so she kept the other one and told me to list this one, and it got sold for $100. And the next item that got sold is these men's Wrangler black pants that my hubby gave me, and I listed it. I think $10. He offered $8, and I accepted. The next item that got sold is the Express tan trench coat. This sat in my closet for a while. The right buyer came along. Got sold for full asking price, $59. I was so excited. I'm like, this sat in my closet forever. The right buyer came along and just bought this right off the bat. So I was so excited about that still. So the next item that got sold is this green velvet dress. This is boutique, and this one I listed in my closet. I think I have a few sizes, or I probably sold out. I'm not sure. But Emily Love and I, we do split the boutique. We buy it in bulk. The boutique item comes in 6. So she take 3, like 3, 1 small, 1 medium, 1 large, and I take 3 sets of different sizes. I don't know if that makes sense. I mean, the buyer offered $60, and I accepted. So the next item is this Levi shorts. This sat for a while. What happened was I had 2 different sizes, and I listed it in one listing. I noticed that it wasn't getting any interest, so I split up the listing. I listed each size individually, and someone came along and bought this one, the size 28 for $35. She offered me $35, and I accepted. So I think I still have the 30 listed. So the next item that I saw is this Timberland gray boots. This is actually consigned. She offered me $80, and I accepted. It's a size 9 tall boots. It's really pretty. The pink and gray details on this is really pretty, and she was very excited about her purchase. So the last item that's sold in February, on February 28th, is this beautiful shoe dazzle patent yellow slingback sandals, and this is consigned as well, and she offered $25. I accepted. Alright guys, so that's it for my what sold video, and thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye bye.